Alright, so this is my other truck. I heard something funny and I went to go open my door to get out. Damn fucking door handle broke off. Like, lovely. I might have an extra. You know, I bought this new. So I'm wondering, yeah, it's just dormant. I'm wondering if there's a lifetime warranty on these. But I definitely bought it. So yeah, I was hearing something funny. I thought maybe one of these tires or something was making a funny noise. This thing needs tires. This is the only good tire. And it's got this damage right here, so I have to keep an eye on it. This one runs better than the other truck by far, but it doesn't make as much power. But this is the thing about being bald. I think, you know, we're asking for shit here. This one's not too bad. I just can't afford to buy 35-inch tires, man. So. Here you go, Mike. They came with it. 4x4 on the floor. The way it's meant to be. Not this bullshit push button fucking crap. So. Yep.